This is the block of medium inch pants. So we do the carving. We start the carving.
The reason is because flip-flops is a poor man's shoe. And here in Africa, almost practically everybody has a pair. We believe that what we're doing in our own little way conserves our marine life. We know that what we're doing is not all that's required, but Ocean Salt is doing whatever we can do to save the environment.